What's up, crypto world? XRP is on fire. Since the ETF announcement, it's up over 400%. Is this the secret sauce behind the bull market? Let's find out. ETFs or exchange-traded funds are like crypto gift baskets for investors. They make it easy to buy a bunch of different assets at once. And the XRP ETF, it's like the hottest gift basket in town. Now some folks are saying, hold up, the ETF isn't the only reason for this bull run. They're pointing to things like Bitcoin's halving and institutional adoption, but let's be real, the timing of this XRP explosion is kinda sus. The XRP ETF launched just a few weeks ago, and bam! XRP's price went bananas. Coincidence? I think not. Plus, experts are saying the ETF is bringing in a whole new wave of investors. But here's the real kicker: trading volume for XRP has gone through the roof since the ETF launch. That means more people are buying and selling XRP than ever before. The ETF is clearly fueling the fire. It's like the ETF poured gasoline on the crypto market, and now we're all riding the rocket to the moon. So, is the XRP ETF the key to this bull market? It's looking pretty likely. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to smash that like button and check out my other videos for more crypto analysis. See you in the next one.